Global tech giants have upped their bets on India's AI future. Right after Microsoft committed $17.5 billion to boost India's AI and cloud infrastructure, Amazon has stepped in with something even bigger, an investment commitment of over $35 billion across all its businesses in India through 2030. So what is the e-commerce powerhouse's investment plan and what are the focus areas? Let's break it down. The US major says the new investment will turbocharge its three core priorities: AI-driven digitization, e-commerce export growth, and job creation and business expansion. This fresh commitment includes an earlier announcement, a $12.7 billion push to expand AWS data centers in Telangana and Maharashtra. Since its India launch in 2013, Amazon's cumulative investments, including employee compensation and infrastructure, already stand at around $40 billion. According to the company, this next phase aims to accelerate India's digital transformation at scale, especially in sectors that still lack deep tech penetration. At Amazon Sambhav, the company's MSME-focused annual summit, Amit Agarwal, Senior VP for Emerging Markets, described Amazon as a catalyst in India's march toward a digitally empowered, self-reliant economy. He outlined three pertinent commitments to be achieved by 2030. Quadruple cumulative e-commerce exports to $80 billion, democratize AI access for millions of Indians, and create 1 million new job opportunities. As part of a big push to develop future talent, Amazon plans to bring AI education to 4 million students in government schools. Now, last year, Amazon had already projected reaching $80 billion in cumulative exports by 2030. This year, it launched Accelerate Exports, an initiative designed to connect digital sellers with Indian manufacturers, giving them the tools to build global brands directly from India. Amazon will conduct on-ground onboarding drives across more than 10 manufacturing clusters, including Tirupur, Kanpur, and Surat. Microsoft, Google, and now Amazon each has made multi-billion-dollar AI investments in India in just a few months. Google has committed $15 billion to build an AI data center in Visakhapatnam and is partnering with Reliance for an AI-focused cloud region. But what makes India lucrative? Because India is one of the world's largest digital-first consumer markets with a booming startup ecosystem and a fast-growing developer base. So for global tech giants, India is indeed emerging as the next AI hub. If you found this explainer useful, follow Business Standard for the biggest business and tech stories shaping India.